In this video, we will learn about the post-fertilization events like formation of zygote and embryogenesis. Ms. Ranju Bajpai of Puran Chandra Vidya Niketan, Kanpur will tell us more about this topic.
Next, we'll switch over to the post-fertilization events. The post-fertilization event is marked by formation of two steps. First is a zygote and second is embryogenesis. Zygote is formed when two haploid gametes they fuse to form a diploid zygote. And in case of external fertilization, the zygote is formed outside the body, and in case of internal fertilization, it is formed inside the body. And next step is embryogenesis. Now, in the formation of embryogenesis, after a diploid zygote is formed, the zygote grows, it divides mitotically and differentiates. The differentiation is the three different layers are formed, the ectoderm, endoderm and the mesoderm, and the different layers give rise to different types of organs. And in plants, in the formation of the embryo, in plants it takes place inside the ovule, and when the pollen grains fall on the stigma, they fertilize and a embryo is formed, and later on this embryo, after the formation, zygote gives rise to an embryo, and after the formation of embryo, ovules develop into seeds and the ovary develops into fruit. And this ovary is surrounded by a protective covering which is called as pericarp, which encloses ovules inside it. So this is how the embryogenesis is completed in.
Two haploid gametes are fused to form a diploid zygote. Zygote will form outside the body in case of external fertilization and inside the body in case of internal fertilization. Embryogenesis event starts once diploid zygote will be formed. In embryogenesis, zygote grows, multiplies by mitotic division and differentiates in three layers that are mesoderm, endoderm and ectoderm. These three layers give rise to different types of organs.
For more such videos, log on to CBSE section of jagranjosh.com.